The entire day, in almost every speech, they're talking about abortion. And if you think about where the public polling is on abortion, where the country's very divided, you have the party offering a full-throated defense of the right to have abortion sort of anytime, anywhere, which if you think about where politics is today, that's as extreme a position on the left as Republicans have taken on the right. And if you're in a state like North Carolina, where social issues still do matter to swing voters, I do wonder if that hurts them or if it helps them, given that it's going to come down to 10 states. Some of them have a lot of people who are in the middle who are authentically undecided. And I think that's different from what Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton would not prescribe the content of many of the speeches that you've heard. He'd say, listen, you can do this in a good way. You can talk, you can be pro-business, but you can also be pro-people. And you can figure out the right calibration. And the brilliance of Bill Clinton has always been, he, unlike almost any other politician in our lifetime, almost always finds that calibration that appeals to liberals, but also appeals to centrists.